I'm Margaret, born in 1938. Been on holiday with my granddaughter and we've been to, where was it?
It's on your shirt.
Ibiza.
That's the one.
Ibiza, yes.
When we decided we were going to renew our vows, there was no way she was going to miss out.
I've always visualised taking Milan to Ibiza, and I've always wanted to take it to Ocean Beach.
Everybody was coming round taking photographs with me.
People dancing round here, made a circle and they're dancing round them.
My drinks were getting paid for.
Hey, it sounds all right there.
Oh, marvellous.
Oh, there's no stopping her now. She wants to go everywhere.
I've done the pole dance in Thailand.
Have you?
Oh yeah, but they never give me no money down my knickers.
She makes everyone's day. She's so special and funny. Like, I want to knock about with her.
Just keep being young, Ella. Keep being daft.
And never
Just-
change.
I told the family I'm going to live till I'm 200. I just love life. It's just a number. Look after yourself, look after other people and have fun.